the things which I learned or achieved in 2025. So this year I learned that भूल गई भूल गई okay, so this year I learned that जैसे भूल okay, so 2025 is the best year of my life. It's not because something big happened, but it's because finally I learned how to be grateful for the things which I already have. So second thing, the it's called achievement. In 2025, I lost a lot of weight, but along with that, I lost too many people's opinion too. So now I feel very lighter. So third thing is I learned in 2025 there is no such thing replacement for health. No matter what you are on, where you go, if once the health is gone, it's gone forever. नो होल लाइफ हम लोग सोचते रहते कि ये लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे। जस्ट 1 दिन के लिए गायब हो जाओ। अरे 1 दिन के लिए क्या, मैं 1 साल के लिए गायब हो गई, बट किसी को कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। एवरीवन इज़ बिज़ी इन देयर ओन लाइफ, नो वन रियली केयर्स। सो जस्ट डू योर थिंग्स एंड लोग कुछ नहीं कहते, सब अपने आप में बिज़ी होते हैं। Then finally I achieved, I made peace with my past. I learned how to forgive people, and the most important, I learned how to forgive myself. So the sixth thing is kind of achievement. I tried so many things alone this year. I traveled alone, I ate alone, I danced alone, I worked out alone, and I worked out alone. And there are so many things which I done alone. It's starting, it was uncomfortable, then it was fun, but it was very good learning. 2025, I learned this thing. If you wanted to do something, just do. Don't expect that your loved one or the people around you support you. Don't expect. That's what I can say. Be your own cheerleader and just start. So the things which I learned in 2025 is that the most beautiful and the painful art is letting go. I'm still learning, and I think it's a lifetime process. So the last thing which I achieved in 2025 is that I am peace, I am joy, and I am love. Thank you.